Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to repost someone's stories on Snapchat. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, let me inform you that you cannot post or repost anyone's stories or Snapchat other than he or she tags you. So now let's first open the Snapchat app and then let's go to stories so that we can check who all have posted the stories. So here you can see a friend has posted a story and one of my friends have tagged me in a story as well. So I'm going to show you how to repost a story in my story. So you can see that a button appears, add to story. So to repost you need to click on this button and now this type of interface will be appeared. At the bottom you can see there are two options of story and send to. Now you have to choose story if you want to repost the story. And that's how easily you can repost someone's stories in Snapchat. Thanks for watching.